this one event which we saw that different visionary universities, schools, even retail market one also you have awarded such a wonderful award.
Being the big name in this northern region of the country, yes, nicely organized program.
Future this event should be there, and what I want that more and more people should participate in these events.
ऐसे इवेंट जो हर साल कर रहा है 2-3 साल से हम देख रहे हैं, ये इससे बहुत अच्छा संदेश जाता है समाज में। उत्कृष्ट ये प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, उनको आप सम्मानित कर रहे हैं, वो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है।
ट्रिब्यून ने बहुत अच्छा इवेंट किया है। मैं रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा था अपना प्रोजेक्ट हैम्पटन होम्स, हमारा प्रोजेक्ट लुधियाना में है, और आज बहुत अच्छा लगा। ऐसे अवार्ड्स होते रहने चाहिए, रिकॉग्नाइजेशन मिलती रहनी चाहिए, स्टेट की तरफ से, आर्ट की तरफ से, सबकी तरफ से मिलनी चाहिए। एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल ऑफ ट्रिब्यून एंड यू गाइज आल्सो डूइंग वेरी वेल। थैंक यू।
I did my PhD in 1966, became lecturer at Punjab University Chandigarh in 72, and then came to Himachal after my stay in Oxford. And afterwards, the end of my career, I ventured to enter into private education, and there is Shulni University, which reasonably is considered as one of the outstanding institutions of the country. ट्रिब्यून का मैं बड़ा धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि जहाँ पर अपॉर्चुनिटी थी फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी टू द स्कूल, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मिक्सचर इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट एंड रेयरली सीन, एंड आई अप्रिशिएट देयर एफर्ट फॉर मेकिंग अस टू discuss and talk with the fellow colleagues who are working in the schools even. This is a good step. They should continue with it year after year. Henceforth, no beginning has been done, and I would love and like to see that this type of program is encouraged.
ट्रिब्यून का इवेंट बहुत अच्छा लगा। आई वॉज अप्रिशिएटिंग, क्योंकि इसमें फ्रॉम द वेरी बिग schools to the universities, everybody was covered, and other spheres also.
She should be more happy because she is from the school,
Yeah.
and then become
I
the president of the
yeah,
foundation,
yeah.
which is running Shulni University.
And we started the institution, SILB, Shulni Institute. This is a mother institute, and later on, after 9 years, university was born out of that. The SILB is also going on. I am there, and I am proud that it's a very good institution. In many schools we know who are here, the students are studying in SILB and the university. So I congratulate Tribune for this very wonderful function. More was useful to know each other.
At this award ceremony by the Tribune, where they actually honored my father. It was a tribute for him and the work he's been doing to improve education in Himachal Pradesh. You always aspire to inspire other people and be inspired by other people as well. So we've been here, we met so many other achievers of Himachal, networked with them, understood how they've risen to where they are through what are difficulties they face. So it's definitely a very good initiative.
This such a great event, okay, and moreover Tribune is giving us such a big platform, so we also get a motivation. So in a future more we will do the achievements, okay, in the field of education. And moreover in this one event which we saw that different visionary universities, schools, even retail market one also you have awarded such a wonderful award. Thank you so much.
Yeah, nicely organized, yes, and Tribune being the big name in this northern region of the country, yes, nicely organized program. Do you think that?
I am basically a laparoscopic surgeon, and I'm doing laparoscopy in Solon for the last, 15 years. And I've become expert in this field. I want that our state should have this facility in the rural areas also. And I've offered it to Minister Saab also, myself, to volunteer in collaborating with the government to promote this laparoscopic surgery for the women, because you see the laparoscopic surgery is the surgery of the day. It is not the surgery of the future. It was 20 years ago, it was a surgery of the past, but now it's a surgery of today. Every woman should have this type of a surgery so that she may have a painless, bloodless, infectionless, and a good recovery surgery. This is what I say. Event was fantastic. The ceremony was very well planned. It was well organized, and above that, the dignitaries were really very good. And I had an opportunity to meet them and collaborate with them also. In the future, this event should be there, and what I want that more and more people should participate in these events, and we should have a nice time for that.
We thank Tribune for this award which we have received in the sector of education in rural area where we are commencing our school. It has been only 13 years since we are commencing, and since last 10 years we had the board results where we had given 100% result with not even a single compartment. The school has commenced for 11th and 12th also from this year only. So let's see what future has kept for us. When you get some recognition at a higher level, so children also feel proud to be the part of that institution. बिल्कुल चाहेंगे कि फ्यूचर में भी ऐसे इवेंट्स होते रहें. इससे एक तो यही है ना कि हम लोग रूरल प्लेसेस पे बिलोंग करते हैं तो हमें भी रिकॉग्निशन का मौका मिल जाता है, क्योंकि इतनी छोटी जगहों को पूछता कौन है ना, जहाँ पे सिंगल रोड हो, है ना. एजुकेशन का ये है कि कोई हमारे साथ कंपटीशन में भी नहीं है, कॉम्पिटिटर्स भी नहीं होते जब आपके, तो फिर यू आर द ओनली लीडर्स, है ना. तो फिर व्हेन यू कम एंड मीट पीपल एट हायर लेवल्स एंड इवन एट सच इवेंट्स, तो आपको पता चलता है कि और क्या चांसेस हो सकते हैं आपके और डेवलपमेंट के, जहाँ से आप सिर्फ अपनी प्लेस को ही नहीं अपने देश को भी आगे ले जा सकते हो. In the last 10 years, we have given 10 doctors from our school and more than 15 engineers.
ट्रिब्यून जो कि बहुत ही एक लीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर है हमारे इंडिया का, और इसमें जो हमें अवार्ड दिया है एक्सीलेंस इन नर्सिंग फील्ड एंड हॉस्पिटल में, तो उसके लिए मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ. और हमारा जो नर्सिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है वो 25 ईयर्स से हिमाचल के जो है लोग उनको अपनी सर्विसेज दे रहा है, और हम हमेशा ही अच्छी क्वालिटी एजुकेशन देने की कोशिश करते रहे हैं और करते रहेंगे. और इसके साथ साथ मैं ट्रिब्यून को बधाई देती हूँ एक सक्सेसफुल इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए. ऐसे इवेंट्स सबको प्रमोट करते हैं और इसके साथ साथ एंथुज़म भी पैदा करते हैं लोगों में अच्छा काम करने के लिए, और पहचान भी देते हैं उनको और दूसरे लोगों को भी इंस्पिरेशन देते हैं. तो ऐसे अवार्ड्स ज़रूर होने चाहिए.